Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant E5 carpet extractor. In this brief overview, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it will help you minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so before operating the machine, a couple of things you want to look at. First, we're going to start up here at your handle assembly. Go ahead and take a look at your on-off switch and make sure that's not damaged. Also, your function switch, you want to make sure it's not damaged as well. So next, coming down the handle, you want to check your triggers. You want to make sure they're okay and not broken. Here is your handle lever. You want to make sure it is not broken either. Now come down here to your cord. Make sure your cord is not split. It doesn't have any frays. It doesn't have any missing ends or anything like that. Okay, so lift open the lid to the machine here. Now a couple of things you want to check while you're here. These are gaskets right here. Go ahead and take a look at them. Make sure they're not worn or damaged. Also, these gaskets right here, you want to go ahead and look at those, make sure they're in good working order. Now right here is your ball float. Go ahead and look at that, make sure it's okay. Look at your solution line too. You want to make sure there's no holes or anything like that. And check your solution filter. If it's dirty, go ahead and clean it. If not, if it's damaged, broken, whatever, replace it. So coming a little further down, you can go ahead and take a look at your recovery tank right here. You want to make sure that it's cleaned out really good. Also, your solution tank right here, you want to make sure it's cleaned out really good. Make sure your handles aren't broken or anything like that. Right in front of your recovery tank right here is your vac motor screen. A lot of the times this gets dusty and it collects a lot of those dust bunnies. Just make sure that you wipe it off and clean it off before you use it. Okay, coming down to the bottom half of the machine, right here is your quick connect for your hand tool assembly. If you have a hand tool assembly, you want to make sure that that is not corroded. Also, you might want to spray it down with some WD-40 as well. Now down here is your shoe, and this is your shoe cap. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's not damaged in any way, otherwise you're going to lose suction. And this also gives you easy clean out if you have a clog in your shoe. Now you can tilt the machine back and take a look at your brush roll. You want to make sure that your brush roll is in good shape and it's not worn out in any way. Also, if you can't get your clog out of your shoe from your cap, you can take a look down here and make sure there's no kind of film built up in the bottom half of your shoe as well. Okay, now that we've checked the brush and everything else, go ahead and take a look at your main wheels. You want to make sure that they're not gouged out and they're not damaged anyway. Also, you've got these two back casters. You want to make sure that they spin freely and they're not broken in any way as well. And that about wraps it up for this machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.